G'day, it's Ben here from Pitstop, and one of the many things we do here in the shop is liquid damage assessments. So basically you might have a laptop and you just put some wine or some fluids onto the machine and it no longer works or it doesn't operate properly. And then what we do is we can do an assessment to find out, hey, can we get it to work again, and the extent of it. And a part of that is pulling out the motherboard inside that said laptop and then inspecting it for any damage. If we find that the damage is not too bad, then we can put it through the next stages, which is ultrasonic cleaning. So we go and put an ultrasonic cleaner, which we have in the back here, put the part in there, run for about 20 minutes, cleans out any of the gunk, cleans it top to bottom, then we can go and reassemble and put it back on that laptop. And 9 times out of 10, away she goes again. So there you go, liquid damage assessments here at Pitstop, starting from $198. And any more questions, let us know. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.